Hi, my name is Ankur Tyagi and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Ankur Tyagi Official. Today I have a question for you. Question is, what is English literature? As you know, English literature encompasses all literary works written in the English language spanning various genres like poetry, drama, prose and originating from the different parts of the world where English is spoken. Its history starts with Old English works like Beowulf and continues through Middle English, Geoffrey Chaucer, the Renaissance, William Shakespeare, and into contemporary works. It explores human experiences, reflecting social changes, and is studied for its artistic, culture, and theoretical dimensions. And if I talk about its origin and evaluation, so let's discuss about its origin. This its origin is divided into three parts: Old English, Middle English, and Modern English. Old English literature from this period, such as the epic poem Beowulf, was written in Anglo-Saxon dialects brought to Britain in the 15th century. Second, Middle English. After the Norman conquest in 1066, English evolved into Middle English, influenced by French. Geoffrey Chaucer, author of the Canterbury Tales, was a key figure in legitimizing this vernacular form of English. And third is Modern English. The language continued to develop with William Shakespeare being a master of early modern English during the Renaissance. And in the last, if we talk about its scope, while once focused on works from the British Isles, the term English literature now broadly includes literature from any country where English is primary language, including the United States, Canada, and the parts of Africa and South Africa. So this was the short description about the English literature. If you like it, please comment in the box and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Ankur Tyagi Official Atos. Thank you so much for having with me. Thank you.